Good morning, welcome to our vlog. Ayan, I'm going to vlog our progress. So we are renovating the lower part of the house.
Renovating?
Yes, renovating. Allowed.
Bring it back to life.
Back to life. So ayan guys.
For me, it's a rescue.
Cleaning. Rescue. Ayan, so madami pa kaming guys dito, ang extension para sa aming mga abubot. Ayan. Dami pang guys. So ito yung area ng mother-in-law ko. So wala na kasi siya, so kami na ang nag-take over. So renovating kami guys. Ayan. From yan kasi ano na siya,